What's up, everybody? Jason here from KEB doing 2018-19 Upper Deck Engrained Hockey. 2-box break, 2 random teams, number 1. You get 15 spots, 2 random teams, 1 combo team, Yotes and Blue Jackets. 2 boxes here. Good luck. Let's roll it. We got a 5 and a 3, 8 times. Good luck, 8 times on the teams. And where are the names at? Huh? Let's put the names in here. It's weird. Guess I never copied it. Damn it. So we'll double your names up, and then Yotes, Blue Jackets are your combo. After 8 times, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 times, Brad, down to Brad. Now let's go 8 times on the teams. 1, 2. Oh, whoa, hold on. Oh, yeah. Wait. No. Why is there only 29? Hold on a second, guys. What the hell's going on here? Alright, this should have 30, right? 1? Yeah, there we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 times, Chicago, down to New Jersey. Alright, so Brad with the Hawks, Ryan with the Penguins, King D with the Bruins, Freddie with the Flames, King D with the Panthers, Mike with the Flyers, Freddie with the Blues, Brad with the Islanders, Freddie with the Cats, Brad with the Wild, Jack with the Sabres, Joe Pizza with the Kings, King D with the Preds, David with the Hurricanes, Jack with the Blue Jackets, as well as the Yotes and Blue Jackets, Canadians, Canucks, Avalanche, Freddie with the Lightning, Nicholas Last One Mojo Leafs, as well as the Stars, King D Oilers, Ryan with the Knights, Joe P with the Jets, Edwards with the Red Wings Ducks, Mike with the Sharks, David with the Rangers, Jack with the Senators, and Brad with the Devils. Alright, I'm going to alphabetize this. You guys have like 20 seconds if you guys want to make any trades. What do you want me to help you with, King D? If I hit you something, I think that's the best I can do, right? But it always works for you when you say help me. But I feel like I've delivered more often than not for you, King D. Yes, you have the Oilers. Connor McDavid. You have a chance of Connor McDavid and Gretzky. Hopefully. That'd be nice if we can get one of those for you, Jack. Alright, let's close the trade window. Alright, here are the boxes remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just going to pretend these are numbered 1 through 8. And we're just going to choose 2 boxes. On random.org's true random number generator. So pretend it's 1 through 8. First box number is 2. So we'll pull out 2. And pretend another number is here. And it is... Come on, random.org. Please don't do this to me right now. 7. There you go. These are the 2 boxes we'll use for this break. These will be some for future breaks. Now let's rip open Engrained. All right, we've got Jack Eichel Synthesis. Jack Eichel to 299. And Maxime Comtois to 299. All right, and our rookie signature here, is Victor Giselle to 249. That'll have to be in a slider box. So I'll just put that right over here. Let's skip to these base cards right here. Cam Atkinson. You're one lucky bastard. Pasternak. Grimbell. And then we got a Brady Tkachuk, rookie shots. Nice, to 149. Who has... Senators Jack. There you go. Little Brady Tkachuk. We got Remnants, Ty Domi to 199, or to 100, sorry. Leafs, Nicholas. And then we got another Remnants to 100, Rod Langway for the Washington Capitals. Capitals, it's going to Freddie. All right, we got to 49 right here, Johnny Gaudreau. We got Norm Ullum to 100 for the Redskins. That's old school right there. Look at that. Piece of the stick. Red Wings. Jason Edwards. Nice. And don't tell me I ever do anything for you, King D. I freaking always deliver for you. The times you've helped me out, I've helped you out way more. There's a Connor McDavid Engrained autograph for the Oilers. Going to King D. That's worth more than your 2 spots right there. Alright, I'll get these slider boxes for you, Jack, and who has the Blackhawks? Brad. But very nice 2 boxes. We got a Brady Tkachuk, we got a Connor McDavid. I'll top load these as well, guys. Very nice stuff right here. I'll post up another 2 boxes. We have, 6 boxes left? I feel like there's still some bigger rookie stuff hiding in there. So I do appreciate it, guys.